Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to give you a demo of CoachZippy. CoachZippy is a knowledge commerce platform. Now you must be thinking about what is knowledge commerce, right? So knowledge commerce is like you create virtual learning experience for your users, for your audience. And like information is everywhere. It's like available on YouTube, it's available on Google, on Wikipedia, on other platforms as well, right? But when you are encaching that information, that knowledge, when you are getting monetary subscription of that knowledge, right, that information, that is knowledge commerce. So most of the time people get confused between e-learning and learning management system or knowledge commerce. So first I'll give you a demo of CoachZippy, and then I'll explain you how knowledge commerce works and how you can create a sustainable and stable knowledge commerce business. All right, so I'm going to share my screen and let's see how CoachZippy works. So this is the login screen, as you can see here on my other screen. Here we go. So this is a login screen. You can use your login credentials and you can click on the login, click here to login button. Okay, your credentials are fine, and now you are on the dashboard. Okay, so this dashboard actually is your main dashboard of your whole schools or courses and everything, the whole business. From here you can see how much revenue you have generated, in past, how many opt-ins you had in last 30 days, and how many sales you have closed in last 30 days, how many students have enrolled in your courses or in your school in last 2 days, and the comments you got in last 30 days. Okay, so this is the whole dashboard, and here you can see your onboarding process, and you can see other menus, and you can see your wallet and notifications, and you can change language. And the first step would be create your school. So you can create your school. So let's say school name is John Doe, and URL can be John D, and the number can be anything. Let's say this is the number, or this is the number. Year of establishment can be 2010, or this is the contact person name. And now you have this option that you can upload your school logo or favicon. You can upload your school banner, okay, and you can provide some kind of a description here. So this description would be placed on your main school's website. So I'll just skip it for now, and I'll click on the create new school, and we can fill up all this information inside the school's dashboard. Okay, once we are here, so once we are here, you can see this new dashboard, and this dashboard is your school's dashboard. You can see the school name here. If you click on this icon, you can see the preview. Your school's website is unpublished, it's not published yet. This is the URL of your website. This is the created date and last updated on, and the last 30 days opt-in, sales, students, and comments. So this is for this particular school, and this data you can collect, you can see for this specific school, right? But it's unpublished, but before making it publish, we can just take a look and we can see the preview. So your site is not live yet. To launch your site, complete the remaining steps. Now here you have your website, you have the dummy data, and you don't have any course. So what you can do, first of all, we can start creating a new course. So you can create a new course from here, okay? And let's say I'm gonna create a course for how to build a list, okay? This is the course title. It can be subtitle like list building 10 easy steps of list building. Okay, you can choose the category. Category can be marketing. Full name of the author can be John Doe. Now you can choose. There are 3 templates you can go with. Either you can go with a blank template. It means it won't create any kind of funnel. It will just create a fresh, like a course. So you would be able to create your own funnels, own stuff. I'll show you. We can start with standard course, okay? And click on the create course from here. Now we are on the, we are inside the course dashboard. From here you have this demo section, and you have your first lecture, which we have created purposely, to give you a kind of a idea how to create a lecture, and how to add a section, and how your section would look like. So from here you can click on edit button, and you can choose like introduction of email marketing. You can mention is 2 days, or whatever you wanna write kind of a subtitle for the section. You click and click here. This is the section name. Now this is your first lecture, so the first lecture can be email marketing for newbies, okay? Or we can write it can be the title of your first chapter. It is draft as of now, because we haven't uploaded any video or any PDF or any audio file yet. But what we can do, we can upload a video from here. I hope I have an MP4. So this is the video I have. I'm just going to upload it. It's a 66 MB video. So once it is done, you can put the comments, this option. It's like user would be able to put comments. You can actually moderate it. We have this comments section here, so you can actually moderate it, okay? But you can just put it on, so people will start seeing the comment section on the screen, okay? Once it is done, you can click on save and continue. You can see the video has been added here, okay? And it is you can make it enable to download or disable to download. So let's say if you don't want your users to download the video, you can just put it off, so they won't be able to download it, right? In CoachZippy, we provide deliver video content in blog form, so it is not downloadable, but you can make it downloadable, so your users would be able to download it, okay? Once it is done, you can click on add text. So let's say if you want to provide some kind of text or some kind of description, or you want to write something, you can always click on the text, and you can start typing here. Okay, this is the text of this course, so you can do this, okay, something like that. Or it's a HTML builder, so you can use kind of all these kind of editing. Here we go. So once it is saved, you can add a quiz. So what is quiz? Quiz is something like kind of assessment. So you can create your particular quiz for this particular course. So let's say this is question 1, okay? It's yes, it can be no, it can be maybe. So you can have your own multiple choice answers, or questions, or single question, and you can click on add question. Once it is done, your question is added here, and this code option, so you can actually you can add some kind of coding. Let's say if you are a kind of a person who's going to teach how to do programming, so you can actually write code here, and you can teach share your code or kind of a piece of program here. Okay, so let's say you want to write something, something like that. So it's a piece of code of Java. Let's say this. Okay, so your users would be they would be able to see the code here. Okay, so that's how you can add more coding, and you can add multiple code, you can add multiple text, you can add multiple videos, and now you could be able to add CTA. So let's say your users are watching kind of a particular video, and you want to provide some kind of a CTA at 20 second or 22 second. You can click on add CTA. What would be the button title, what would be the button text, what would be the CTA URL. You can enable your countdown timer. So that's how you can actually change the settings, or you can add a CTA. So let's say a user is watching a video or during the course, so you would be able to share some kind of offers. Let's say video is on 5 minutes 20 seconds. The pop-up will be appear, and they would be able to click on that, and you would be able to pitch offers. Okay, so that's how you can actually create your first chapter. And now I'll show you in the left hand side. As you can see, we have information. Okay, so this information is like we have previews of sales page, preview of course curriculum. So you can click on any link. Let's say curriculum, you click on that, you would be able to see the curriculum of your course here. So this is the code, kind of a code which we have created. This is the text, this is the video, and this is the quiz, the question and answers, and this is a discussion. But you can change the sequencing of this page. What you can do, you come here, you click on curriculum, you come here. This is what we have created. So now what we can do, we can put the video on the top. Okay, then we can put the text, and then we can put the code. And you don't have to click on any save button or something. You just come here, you just refresh on this, just refresh this, and it would be changed. The sequencing would be changed. Okay, so this is unlocked, and we have the drift feeding feature. So I'll show you how to use drift feeding inside this demo. Okay, the video you can play from here.
Hey JB Rockstars.
And there's a text which you have created, which you've shared. This is the kind of a code which you have shared. The question and answer. The users would be able to put the comments. Hey, how are you doing, or something like that. You can post the comment. You see as an instructor you have posted the comment, but being a user, your users would be able to publish post the comments as well, and your users would be able to reply, or they would be able to edit or delete their comments, and you would be able to moderate the comments. I'll show you how you can actually moderate it, but before that I will show you how you can make your course public. Because this is not published yet, you can click on publish course, click on yes, and you see it's asking to create pricing and other things. So the CoachZippy is so intuitive that it asks you to create the what is the next step, and it's a foolproof system, so you don't have to worry about what to do, or how to start with, how to get started. So you don't have to worry about that. It's very intuitive and awesome system. So now we're gonna click on a pricing tab. So now what I'm going to do, we have these 4 payment options. Either you can make it free, or you can put it on subscription mode, or you can charge at one time, right? And you can sell high ticket coachings as well. Let's say you wanna sell high ticket coaching at the pricing of, like at the three kind of EMIs, or three, like payment, like split payment. Okay, so you will be able to do that. Let's try the free thing first. So click on free. This is a free plan, okay, for our users. Click on it, pricing. So the free plan has been added. The type is free, price is free. This is the free plan. You can add a one-time purchase plan. You have multiple options here for the currencies. Let's say $99. This is one-time VIP course or something like that, VIP plan. Okay, one time. You click on add pricing. Once it is done, it would be added here. One-time VIP plan. This is one time $99, and the subscription would be, let's say, $19 per month. Subscribe VIP plan. Okay, monthly add pricing. So this $19 has been added. Here we go. So you can see $19 has been added. So we have three plans added here. One is free, the other one is one time, and the last one is subscription. Okay, all right. So the next thing is integrations. So let's say you wanna connect multiple apps, like your autoresponders or your payment processors, like or different kind of apps like Zapier or something. You would be able to do that. You would be able to connect app. We have our centralized app system. So this integrations.mintware.io, it works, like once you have connected app for CoachZippy, it would be available in all other products. We have a single sign-in system, so your users or the people who are using the system, you don't have to log in with multiple credentials on different products. We have a single suite where you can actually log in with one ID, one username and password, and you would be able to access all the leads at one place. You would be able to integrate all the products, all other apps at one place, and you would be able to access them separately in different products. Okay, like payment processors, we have all these payment processors or autoresponders, or like Zapier. So you can actually integrate that. Once you have some kind of autoresponders already connected, you would be able to fetch the list. So let's say you wanna have this list. You can click on that and you can click on connect. So the list this list would be added here inside the system. This list has been added however. Okay, so that's how you can actually add different kind of autoresponders here. And if you wanna add a pixel in your header or footer, let's say Facebook pixel or Google pixel, you would be able to do that. Okay, and in the drip feeding, inside the drip, you have these three options: periodically or day wise or marked as completed. So marked as completed is by default selected, right? You can click on that and click on save. So you would be able to, your users would be able to, like access your courses or your particular, video step by step. Once video 1 is done, then we'll be able to access video 2. So you can actually drip feed the content. We have comments options here, so you would be able to access or manage the comments. We have coupons, so you can create or use coupons. Let's say off 90, coupon code is off 90 is enabled. It's like in percentage and it's like 90%. Click on next. Coupon would be redeemed immediately, or it would be redeemed on a particular date. So let's say immediately, and whenever it will be redeemed until I delete it or I disable it, or there would be no uses after deactive. So click on yes, Coupon is applicable on all my courses or on particular specific courses. So you can choose all my courses and now click on add coupon. So your coupon of 90 has been added. Okay, so I'll show you how it works, but before that I'll show you the other features like students. You would be able to bulk import your students here. You would be able to add student from here. You can manage your certificates like like after assessment or after creating like completing the course, users would be able to get, or you would be able to provide kind of certificates, and all these certificates are customizable, so you can customize the certificate and you would be able to provide it. Let's say this certificate or this certificate, you can click on select it, you can click on continue, and you would be able to like change everything here. And let's say this name would be this, my logo would be this, you would be able to edit text here, certificate would be something else, or like kind of all these things. You would be able to change the color theme or font settings. So all these things are here. Inside the program overview, you would be able to like add program overview, like this is the best way to make list. Okay, add one more, so you can have list of overviews like which will be displayed on your courses page. So like this is amazing way to make a list. Okay, you can click on save, so you can create multiple overviews you can have, or you're gonna show on your page. Okay, so click on the programming languages. You can add multiple languages here. You can like add partners, you can add FAQs, you would be able to manage the testimonials. So let's say before testing all these options here, let me show you how your page is looking like. Okay, how's it looking? So this is the page, how to build a list, 10 easy steps of list building. Enroll in the course, how many students enrolled, free course or dummy data, because it's not live yet. That's the reason it's all dummy. Okay, the program overview, we have added these two options. This is the best way to make list, and this is amazing way to make list. The syllabus is like, you have this section, introduction of email marketing and email marketing for newbies, right? We don't have any video, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the information, and here I'm going to set my affiliate commissions. So in CoachZippy, you would be able to promote someone else's course and you can generate revenue. So let's say I have a couple of courses and you want to promote my courses, so I can give you my affiliate link, or I mean you can get your affiliate link of my course and you would be able to promote, and you would be able to get revenue, I mean kind of commission. So you can choose percentage. I'm gonna share 50% of commission, and like it can be initially users would be pending, and you can put it on auto approval as well. And you can create a social preview here, so if somebody is going to share the URL of the course on Facebook, it will generate automatic like auto kind of a preview. Okay, now here you can upload the banner of your course, so you can click on the add banner, and let's say this is less than 2 MB. Let's take this picture. I'm going to crop it. Here we go. Click on crop. Perfect. Now we have this option to increase or decrease the overlay alpha, kind of a option. So you can do that here. You can make it like 30% or 40%, whatever you want. You can upload a promotional video, which is very important to like upload a promotional video for your course. So you would be able to upload a video here. Let's say this video, or let's say this video. Click on that, upload that, and here we go. Now click on save. So now we are done. We can publish our course. You click on course, and your course has been published successfully. Now we'll see the preview of our course page. Okay, now look at the page. This is how it's going to look like. This is your banner in the background, and this is the like your intro video you can watch, or your people can watch. Okay, and you can see this site is not live yet. What does it mean? It means actually your school, the school of like yours is not live yet. But before that, I will show you a couple of more things. Like let me show you. Go to curriculum, add one more section. It's like list building, make a funnel. Let's say 2 days. Click on create. So now we got a new section, no lectures found. Click here to add new lecture. So how to use X funnels to create a funnel. This is your first option, first chapter. You can upload a MP4 here. I'm sure we have this MP4 which can be uploaded, and you click on save and continue. And I'm going to have just a this video here, and I'm going to make it disable, download disable. And now let's see on this screen on your website is going to be like this: introduction of email marketing, how to use funnel. So let's say if you have a long syllabus, it is going to be a very intuitive, so your users would be able to see the what section has what particular chapters. Okay, and you can have your own kind of a testimonials from your own users or the people, and you can actually manage your testimonials. You can manage your instructors. You can see we have 3 options like free, one time, or subscription. So we can actually ask users to pay accordingly. So that's how it works. You can have your FAQs, you can have your partners, you can have programming languages if you have any, or you can add a custom HTML. Let's say if you have your own custom HTML, you would be able to upload it here. Perfect. Okay, so now what you can do, you come here on this screen, and I'll show you how it works. Click on the one time or a subscription, click on pay. But as you know, it's not live yet. So before that, let me just go live. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on back to my school, and I'm going to click on publish. Okay, so it's live. You click on this, and you see this is your school and this is your course, how to build a list. You click on that. This is your course page where you can ask for enroll in course, watch intro video, and you can display your courses. You can mention your instructor, some information about your instructor. Right now we have just provided kind of a name, so you will be able to change that. You see everything is here. You can click on subscription and click on pay, and you see this is here, and you would be able to provide your coupon of 90. If you remember, you can click on apply. You just have to pay $1.9 because 90% has been applied as a discount. Okay, but we have another option. We have the free options available, so we can go with that. We can click on this, click on enroll, click on free, click on enroll, and I'm going to enter my information and proceed to checkout. And this is best because this is free, so we don't have to go to a payment gateway. Okay, and we just click on proceed to checkout, and this is successfully done. Thanks for your order. Your order has been confirmed, and email with your credentials has been sent to your inbox. You click here to login, and let me get my password. Here we go, login. Here it's like Madhav Datta password, and click on login. Because I've registered for a particular course and I would be able to access that course only. But before that, let me show you this dashboard. We call it community hub. And what is community hub? It is a place where all users can communicate, or they can collaborate, right? So let's say I as a user want to share something. Hey, I wanna learn more about email list building. I have something to share. Okay, and now you want to share a video or image or anything. So let's say you want to share an image. You want to share an image, you can just choose an image from here or here. Click on upload and just post it. Once you have posted, hey, I want to learn more about email list building, I have something to share, your post has been shared here. And this communication is being it's happening real time. So you can see there are people online, and whatever you are typing here, the other people would be able to access. I mean, they can see it without refreshing the page. So it's like real-time communication, like you do on WhatsApp or other messengers. So this page you don't have to refresh ever. The content would be delivered on the real time. This page is opened. It works like it's your personal private Facebook group, which is without distractions and without any kind of junk. And you can moderate it. You would be able to moderate this whole community. Let's say you just want to post content only, like you don't just want to post content. You don't need any comment. You would be able to moderate that. And if you don't want your users to post content, you would be able to do that. And if you want your users to post content and comment as well, so it is happening by default, right? But you can moderate it, okay? And you can reply on that. Wow, okay? Along with a video or something. Let's say you have a video here and you want to share a video. Okay, let's say this video, okay? So 1.2 MB, and click on post. So once you have shared, like wow, people will be able to see the video. So people can like your comment. You can delete it if you want. So all these features are available. You have a solid community hub where you can actually your people, and you can collaborate and engage with your users, okay? I mean, with each other. All right, so now here you can see all courses, or you can see my courses like which you have actually enrolled for, but you can enroll for other videos as well, okay? So this is the start course, so it means you as a user can start it, because you see it fetches your default picture like Gravatar, because my email address is registered for, like I must have used this picture in WordPress somewhere, so it fetches the default picture automatically. The course is 0% completed. This one is logged because I just have to complete my first course, then only I would be able to see that. So I'll have to mark it as a complete and continue. So let's say I just watched a video,
hey, JD Rockstars,
but I cannot mark it as completed because I just have to complete it first. I just have to watch the whole video, then only I can mark it complete and continue. Okay, let's say I've just done it,
here, of course.
And this is an amazing platform. Like your users are watching this
with
video.
My awesome partner Madhav Datta, we're back with another blockbuster launch on the back of some.
Your users are watching this video, but what they can do, we have an amazing PIP feature here. So you users would be able to just minimize the whole browser, but they would be able to see the video. They would be able to see the video on your desktop. Okay, and they can do something else as well. Let's say they are working on kind of
introducing CoachZippy, the
kind
one
of
of its kind knowledge commerce
some
and
kind of a
all-in-one
text,
business platform
okay,
that allows anyone to turn their knowledge into profit. Yes,
and you're making your notes here as well. Let's say you're writing, you're watching video here, and this is happening on your desktop. This is not happening on your browser now.
And simplifying the conversion of any content into pure.
Nothing is happening on your browser. It is happening on your desktop. So you can actually make your video available on your desktop, okay, using CoachZippy. So you have all these options here. You have this, and the comment, hey, how are you doing? Okay, you would be able to see this. So that's how you can actually make it available. But now I'll show you all these other features of your school. So how you would be able to manage your school. Okay, so this is your school. You would be able to create or manage your school theme. So let me show you a school. So let's say this is your school. Okay, this is your school, John Doe, and this is this. Now let's manage it. Let's upload a logo first. So let's say, do I have a logo? Let's search a logo. I'm gonna use this logo. Let's say upload it. Click on fav icon. All I'm going to do is, okay, I'm just leaving fav icon because I don't have any fav icon as of now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a banner, okay, and I'm going to upload it. Here we go. It can be a school image, banner. Finally, so we have it here. You can make it like, okay, darker or lighter, whatever you want. That's your call. Click on save. You have uploaded your logo, your banner. You come here, refresh it. Once you are done with that, you see your logo is here, Growth Academy. Your background banner is there. Now we are going to change the color scheme. We can choose fonts, what font your website would be using for headers, and the base font. So you would be able to manage your theme from here. Now from here you would be able to manage your domains. So you would be able to connect custom domains, right? You would be able to manage your navigation. So you can add a new link on the top. Let's say on the navigation bar you want to add about us, okay, and the URL can be it can be your URL, or you can choose a page, right? So let's say it's like mintware.io or something like that, and visible to all. Click on add link, and your link has been added here. You want to add a couple of links on the footer, you would be able to do that. Okay, so that's how you can manage your navigation system. This is the social preview. So as I told you, you would be able to manage your Facebook preview. Okay, instructors. So if you remember John Doe, so you would be able to like senior professor or something from here. So let's say, okay, I'm going to upload my image. I have this funny picture. I can use it here. I can crop it. I can just take the face and I click on save instructor. Here we go. So if you come on the the home page, you will be able to see the link here, about us, my courses, all courses, admin, and John Doe. You click on this, you see cool guy, the senior professor, John Doe, the image. So you would be able to write about this guy and it would be displayed here. Okay, so that's how you can manage your instructors. Then you can manage your pages. You would be able to create new page, or you would be able to manage your pages. So this is a blank template, show navigation bar, colored navigation, show footer. So you would be able to manage the slug, all those static pages you can design here. Okay, you would be able to manage all kind of comments, custom text, custom text is an amazing feature. Let's say we have all text for your whole website and all kind of messages and everything, and we have made it available here, so you would be able to change it in your own language. Let's say you don't wanna, like say admin, you wanna say something else, admin or something. So you would be able to change that. You would be able to do that. Okay, and that would be available there on your website. So that's how you can make it like different in multilingual in different languages. Okay, code snippets, and this is the kind of a like code snippets. You can add your custom CSS, you can add your custom code of JavaScript, and that would be accessible or available on your website. Okay, and you have custom HTML. So let's say you want to add some kind of custom HTML on your like kind of a school page. This is the course page, okay, of Growth Academy, but you want to add something here on Growth Academy, and you would be able to do that. But before that, what you can do, you click on, just a moment, you come here, back to school dashboard. Here we go. We have settings. Just let me check. Okay, these are the general settings. So these are settings of school. Okay, so you would be able to manage your school name. So this is, let's say, Growth Academy. Okay, lectures, autocomplete lectures, autoplay videos, sync users, course percent complete when publishing. You can have enable comments moderation. You can just make it enable, click on save, right? You would be able to do that. You can enable your blog. So we have inbuilt blogging feature, so you would be able to create your own blog, as well as you would be able to manage your store as well. I'll show you how you can create a store. Okay, but you would be able to manage the notifications, the payment options we have here. You can add your PayPal or Stripe accounts, and all these options are available. Let's click here and refresh this page, and you'll see the website which we have created has been like published here. Okay, did I click on save? I'm sure I did. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so we got all these things here, and we got the course, and that's how you can actually manage the community from here. Let's say your people, your users, and you see the course, the people who whatever they have shared here. You can also share. This is good. You can post your comment. Maddie, just now, this is good. This is like 14 minutes ago. Wow. Right, you can click on this, you can like it, so you can see like how many comments, how many likes. It's real time and it's crazy. Okay, so that's how you can actually use this whole community system. Okay, so we have funnels option here. You would be able to manage your funnels, you would be able to manage your users. So we are giving you by default like all these funnels, like home page, login, register, course details, store, offers, checkout, and thank you pages, and you would be able to like update and edit those pages. You can manage your users. So this is the user who subscribed this particular course, so you can do that, and that's it. We have this option here in the top bar, the menus, my websites, connect apps, my domains, my leads. You have all the leads centralized at one lead dashboard. So I can show you this. You come here and you can manage all the leads here. Whenever you get all these leads, you see generate more traffic, Java, how to build a list. This is John Doe, CoachZippy, Madhutta at gmail.com. This is a list which we got here. And okay, and this one is like tutorials. We have very extensive detailed tutorials and centralized at the centralized place. So you would be able to manage all the tutorials here, like how to add a promotional video, we have a step-by-step guide. Understand the whole thing, like this lecture, this step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and we have this animated GIF, so we can show you how to get it done. Okay, and we have this wallet and notification system, so which you can actually use. All right, okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. I'm signing off. Bye bye.